Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Well, this is exactly how not to trim a tree on a 24-foot ladder. You're looking at that tree and thinking, wow, that's a disaster waiting to happen. It's like pizza, but scarier. Let's see what this guy does with this tree. Oh man, trees always know how to throw you a curveball. Oh wow, that is straight up terrifying. This is exactly why dealing with dead trees isn't just important, it's critical. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video left you speechless. Your support keeps us creating more awesome content. Wow, look at the size of that log. These loggers make it look effortless. But trust me, handling a giant redwood is no easy feat. One misstep and it's crashing down. But these experts stay calm under pressure, using skill and precision. Nature has its cycle, and sometimes removing a tree isn't just necessary, it's the safest option. No way around it. This operator just gave us a crucial lesson in bobcat safety. Keeping the bucket level on a slope is key. Luckily, he handled it well, and now we all get to learn from his experience. These climbers are on another level. Can you imagine the strength and courage it takes to climb that high and then cut the tree down? It's risky work, but it's necessary. They help prevent falling trees and keep our environment safe. Let's give them a well-earned round of applause. Loading lumber onto barges presents unique logistical challenges compared to truck loading. Barge stability is paramount, necessitating precise weight distribution to prevent listing or even capsizing. Securing the load with chains, binders, and dunnage is crucial to withstand the dynamic forces encountered during water transport. Meet the Morbark 1-3B tub grinder, a true titan, designed for processing massive volumes of wood waste. This beast runs on a Caterpillar C32 engine pumping out 1,050 horsepower. Its 31-inch diameter cutting blade devours logs with ease. Equipped with an advanced control system, it provides real-time machine diagnostics, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. Emerging from the snowy forest, loaded with nearly 100 tons of timber, this Volvo F16 isn't just any truck. It's a powerhouse designed for the timber industry. Beyond its raw engine power, it proves its worth in real-world conditions. Navigating rugged terrain, this truck shows off its agility and impressive handling. Built for superior maneuverability, this blend of brute power and agility, paired with Volvo's cutting-edge DynoFleet telematics system for real-time fleet optimization. The APOS debranching machine, an innovation that makes stripping conifer trees a breeze. A game changer in logging operations. It works by clamping onto the tree trunk, holding it firmly in place, then feeding it through a set of high-speed rotating blades. This automated process drastically reduces labor compared to manual debranching methods. Meet the gathers. I had the chance to witness the Europe Chippers EC1060 400 HP in action at a logging site, and it was absolutely mind-blowing. It devoured entire trees effortlessly, shaking the ground with its immense power and producing an incredible roar. Watching it transform massive logs into piles of wood chips in no time was truly a sight to behold. Efficient, powerful, and unstoppable. No way, that old tractor is pulling a huge stump out. It's buried like 5 feet deep. I didn't think it could do it. You see those logs? They've been on a wild ride. Now they're ready for their close-up at the log yard. And check out that crane. Talk about a smooth operator. It dances with those massive logs like they're weightless. This workhorse keeps the whole lumber yard humming, that's for sure. Peterbilt trucks, no. They're not just trucks, they're land yachts. Chrome-plated dinosaurs, rolling sculptures of American swagger. They're unexpectedly beautiful. Cylindrical milling, a technique using lathes or similar methods to strip away bark and sapwood, leaving a perfectly round log. It looks smooth, almost perfect, but exposing the hardwood makes it vulnerable to moisture and fungal decay. Sealing and proper finishing are critical to protect the wood's longevity. All right, let's talk tree work. This is no easy task. You're handling serious equipment, fighting against unpredictable forces, and of course, gravity, always gravity. One wrong move, and it's game over. Check out the scale of this camphor tree. That base is massive. A complex root system like this means removal won't be a simple task. Let's see how they tackle this beast. Whoa, did you catch that? 1 minute there's a tree. The next bam. Wood chips everywhere. The Denny Simoth industrial mulcher is crazy power. Right. Look at those guys up there. They're not just cutting trees. They're mountain climbers, engineers, and lumberjacks all in one. It's a tough job, no doubt. One wrong move, and it's over. They respect the mountain, they respect the trees, and most importantly, they respect the power of nature. When dealing with a stump this size, a 40-to-1 compound block and tackle is your best friend. It lets you apply 20 tons of force using just a small vehicle. But remember, safety is key. Clear the area. That stump can turn into a dangerous projectile, as we saw when one launched 15 feet in an instant. Oh wow, this debarker is insane. Look how fast it's working. Definitely need one of these in my shop. Seriously though, does anyone know the brand? Drop a comment below if you have any clues. You know what's awesome? This wood chipper, the Eschelbach Biber 84, can handle massive logs, up to 4 feet wide. Its powerful rotors, fitted with 10 or 20 knives, let you chip wood at insane speeds. And get this, it even has a specialized rotor for extreme jobs. Versatile, powerful, efficient, the Biber 84 stands in a league of its own. It's time for the ultimate chainsaw showdown. Two titans enter. One will leave victorious. Okay, maybe not. But this battle between the Husqvarna 3120 XP and the Stihl MS881 is intense. Don't miss this epic battle. Who knew machine operation could look this smooth? The Komatsu PC360 with its advanced hydraulics, combining power with precise control, turning rugged work into an art form, a true dance of engineering and skill. It's like watching a master sculptor at work, but with a 20-ton machine. This is why you never underestimate the power of nature. Let's see how they get out of this mess. This Velmet 840.3 logging truck is seriously stuck. I mean, buried in mud. We're talking about a machine designed to conquer any terrain, and it's totally defeated. If you want to see something that will blow your mind, look at this. These beasts are a staggering 20 feet high, 60 feet long, and 14 feet wide. Motorists who underestimate their size and power, let's just say it doesn't end well. Yielding is the only way to survive. Now that's what I call a dozer. This D6R XL has got it all: power, durability, and control. Those advanced features make all the difference. I've seen a lot of machines, and this one's a real workhorse. Watching this video takes me back. I remember hearing those Detroit diesels roaring through the woods all the time. When I was a kid, I used to tell people it sounded like the Tasmanian devil was tearing through the woods to get you. Let's talk ash trees. If you see one that looks dead or dying, it's probably been attacked by those pesky emerald ash borers. These little guys burrow into the wood and make it super brittle. Cutting down an infested tree is risky business. It could snap and fall in unexpected ways. Stay safe out there. In the evolving landscape of renewable energy, the NHS450F emerges as a strategic asset. Its impressive capacity, seeking to optimize biomass fuel production, underscores its efficacy in this regard. By integrating the NHS450F into your operations, you're not just processing wood waste, you're organization with a sustainable future. The wood chipper, a powerful machine in forestry management. It quickly processes logs into wood chips, and the Pizzolato PTH900 is built for the job. This machine is crucial for sustainable forestry, as its wood chips can be used for mulch, biomass energy, or particle board production. The sound of the engine tells you everything. This machine is built for heavy-duty logging. Its efficient operation ensures a steady supply of forestry resources. Whoa, that was a close call. This is why teamwork is absolutely crucial in this job. Well, I think he needs to pick one or the other. Tree caretaker or Tarzan. No way am I hiring these guys. Oh my God, that was a close call. This proves that cutting down trees isn't simple. It carries serious risks for both money and health. Okay, It was a success in terms of results, but only because the chain held. If it had snapped, it could have caused a serious accident. Let's just say, trees have a way of keeping things interesting. They like to surprise you, keep you on your toes. It's all part of the adventure, right? Now this is what I call a heavy-duty hauler. Just look at that Volvo, tackling this terrain with that payload. The sheer power is impressive, and of course, the driver's skill and expertise are equally remarkable. Drop A1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Hey folks, check out this awesome showdown. Man versus nature, chainsaw versus cedar. It's a battle for the ages, and you're in the front row. This lumberjack's got some serious skills, and that's a big old tree. Who's gonna win? Let's find out together. The saw bites deep, cutting through the wood inch by inch. A slow crack spreads, tension builds. Then, in an instant, the tree gives way, snapping dramatically. A heavy truck loaded with logs crosses a rocky stream. The engine roars, wheels grip, water splashes, but the driver stays in control. Two young men sit atop, holding tight, trusting the machine and its master. Think of these logging trucks as the lifelines of a massive global network, transporting the raw essence of nature to markets worldwide. It's a sight that speaks volumes about our reliance on natural resources. The Sumitomo SH240 log loader, a true powerhouse when it comes to heavy-duty timber handling, with a lift capacity of over 24 metric tons and a grapple saw for precise cutting. It's a game changer. Operators undergo intense training to master this beast of a machine, ensuring safety and efficiency in the harshest conditions. Meet the Hacky Pilk Easy 50, a true workhorse in firewood processing, designed for maximum productivity. With a splitting force of 30 tons, it can handle logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter with ease. Dual power options, PTO and electric, make it versatile for different work environments. And the best part, the integrated splitting wedge ensures efficiency. The Bandit Beast 4680, and yes, it absolutely lives up to its name. This machine is an absolute powerhouse. It chews through whole trees and massive logs like they're twigs. The controls are smooth, and the build quality is second to none. Sure, with a price tag starting at $138,900. It's an investment, but one that pays off in efficiency. Sage GSR280, a powerhouse frame saw built for efficiency, perfect for small to mid-sized sawmills. It excels at cutting both round and square timber, while keeping energy consumption to a minimum. With an average usage of just 10 to 12 kilowatt hours, it delivers powerful performance without waste. Designed to handle logs up to 3 to 4 meters in length, its ultra-thin kerf of just 2.3 millimeters maximizes yield while minimizing material loss. Precision and efficiency redefined. The GSR280's impressive design. Look at this beast of a machine, the Harvester 9000. It's a revolution in forestry, with cutting-edge technology and brute power. It can handle even the toughest terrains. But it's not just about strength, it's about smart engineering. It maximizes efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Watch how smoothly it operates in harsh conditions. Whoa, check out this guy's chainsaw skills. He's like a lumberjack ninja, seriously. The way he handles that saw is incredible. It takes some serious talent to make it look that easy. You can tell he loves what he does, and that's what makes it even cooler. In the wild, where only the toughest survive, this beast dominates. Steel chains, raw power, nothing stops it. Mud, slopes, heavy logs conquered with ease. More than a machine, it's the king of the forest. The anchor chain represents a significant advancement in land clearing operations. This technique employs two bulldozers operating in tandem, connected by a heavy-duty anchor chain to efficiently remove vegetation and obstacles. This method offers increased productivity and reduced environmental impact compared to conventional clearing methods. Watch the harmony between man and machine as a Japanese sawmill processes a 300-year-old log. Precision cutting, guided by experience and technology. The sawyer's expertise is remarkable, but true accuracy comes from the meticulous work of the saw doctor, who fine-tunes every blade. This dedication to detail. The Caterpillar D8 dozer, a beast of engineering power. Its diesel engine roars against the earth, pushing through the landscape with unmatched force, a true testament to human innovation. Built for endurance, designed for strength. Life's a lot like trucking. You gotta be tough, you gotta be resilient, no matter what obstacles are in your way. These truckers, they get it. They embody that spirit of perseverance. Well, folks, that rig was in a real bind. Overloaded, and those roads, brutal. But that driver, a true pro, with a little help from his buddies, he managed to wrestle that beast out of its predicament. This work requires extreme precision. Even the smallest miscalculation on these slopes can be catastrophic. The camera doesn't capture the full danger of this downhill descent. Alright, folks, check this out. This ripper ain't winning any beauty pageants, but boy, can it get down and dirty. Kobelco's engineers are geniuses. They've made this thing work perfectly with the SK160's hydraulics. Boom, maximum power, maximum efficiency. Look at it tear through that soil. Roots, gone. Stumps, history. This little guy is a demolition machine. Who needs fancy when you've got power like this? Impressive. Look at the precision in this maneuver. Years of experience and knowledge at work. Understanding weight distribution is crucial. Check out this beast. This stump grinder is an absolute monster, but it's also incredibly precise. It removes stumps without tearing up. Fast, clean, and efficient. This machine gets the job done. Would you climb a tree with a chainsaw in hand? Now imagine that chainsaw weighs 5 kilos. Operating heavy machinery on uneven terrain requires skill and precision. Unlike flat ground, slopes introduce unique risks. The angle of the terrain affects stability, demanding careful calculations to prevent tipping or loss of control. Factors like soil composition, moisture levels, and even wind conditions become critical. Experienced operators assess these variables to ensure smooth and safe maneuvering. We all want to get the most out of our machines, right? But overloading your skidder is like squeezing the last bit of toothpaste. You might get a little more, but you're also making a mess. It's tough on the machine, burns extra fuel, and frankly, this isn't just risky, it's outright dangerous. Work smarter, not harder. The WB2000 leverages advanced laser-guided technology to maximize yield and minimize waste. Its precision cutting system delivers dimensional accuracy within 0.1 inches, exceeding industry standards. The optimized blade design, paired with a high-torque motor, ensures exceptional cutting efficiency, reducing energy consumption by up to 15%. This translates to higher lumber output. Thank you for watching this far. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one on my channel. The Capset 18 RC radio-controlled skidder features a 21 horsepower Honda GX630 engine for unmatched efficiency in demanding forestry conditions. Its high ground clearance and low ground pressure help minimize environmental impact, making it ideal for delicate terrain. The ergonomic remote control ensures safe operation, while its 16 kilonewton winch and 35-meter rope provides serious pulling power, a 20-liter hydraulic tank, and 180 bar max pressure. Now this, my friends, this is raw power meets finesse. That Cat 990 moves logs like a ballroom dancer, effortless, graceful, a true testament to precision engineering. When evaluating a forwarder, key factors include payload capacity, tractive effort, and fuel efficiency. But true excellence comes down to adaptability. The Komatsu 830.3 boasts an advanced hydrostatic transmission and high ground clearance, allowing it to conquer rugged terrain. This ensures maximum productivity, even in the toughest conditions. It's the perfect blend of power and versatility. This is how they used to make lumber. No skimping, no cutting corners. These old mills could handle massive logs, and the quality, top-notch. These days, it's all about profit, not pride. That's why we keep these old-timers running. They're a reminder of how things should be done. The BRAC T6B is more than just a machine. It's a tool for land restoration. Its precise scarification technique minimizes soil disturbance while creating optimal conditions for seedlings. The result? Healthier forests, greater biodiversity, and a more resilient ecosystem. For those committed to preserving our natural world, the BRAC T6B is an invaluable ally. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content, And want to see more? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.